Jehovah Shammah, you are there, forever near, mighty God. Jehovah Shammah, watch over us. Your grace, blessing, and peace, let it dwell above us. Holy Father, blessed be your Son. Forever and ever we will sing. Jehovah, mighty God. Hey! Jehovah Shammah, stay close to us. Through every trial and storm, let your light surround us. Holy Father, blessed be your Son. Forever and ever we will sing. Jehovah, mighty God. Like birds that shelter all their young beneath the safety of their wings, your loving arms still cover us. Your mercy reaches everything. When fear and darkness rise around, your holy presence stands so near. You speak in calmness to our hearts, reminding us that you are here. Jehovah Shammah, watch over us. Your grace, blessing, and peace, let it dwell above us. Holy Father, blessed be your Son. Forever and ever we will sing. Sing it in Papiamentu. Jehovah Shammah, vo gracia y paz, baja arriba-nos. Tata Santu, Tabo, pa sempre y sempre nos lo canta. Nabo honor. You call the broken and the